Like, I found it very fascinating what people worry about, like, not in like that sense about like, oh, what do you worry about? It's like how different things are for people.
I worry about money. Like, money's a big thing. Like, it's like when we grow up, like there's so many people living like still with their parents in like their early 30s and stuff, and like
I want like an apartment.
I don't want to move out as early as possible.
Yeah.
But I also don't want to
live with them forever.
leave as late as possible.
I'm worried about my mom dying. Like, I'm really close to my mom, yeah? So, like, I'm worried about what happens if, like, say I'm,
40.
Yeah, say all our kids are moved out and all, yeah? I'm worried she's gonna have, like, a mad lonely life. So that's why I'm, like, talking, like, money-wise. Like, that's why I think a lot of people live with their parents. Because they don't want to just leave them, like, if you get me.
Yeah.
Like, I'm worried about my dad as well, yeah, because my dad lives alone.
Like, one of my worries would be, like, my dad and all, and someone else's worries would be, like, very self-centred. But, like, I'm not saying that in a bad way, but, like, I found that very fascinating.
I'm scared of getting old. I'm scared of losing my childhood, like, having to go to work, having, like, not being able to just go out with my friends whenever I want, like.
Yeah.
That's why I'm going to be a teacher, so then I have some holidays off.
You're a teacher!
Even if I am like good at something, I don't want to get some like boring job. Like, I'm gonna like be stuck 9 to 5, sending emails to random people to sell them like crap that they don't need.
No, like obviously, like you want to make your family proud, but I mean, they should be proud of you for whatever you do.
Me and Dara were saying like the vibes are really good. The vibes are immaculate, is what we'd say, and. So, you know, it's really nice just being able to talk with some of the people, and with the group, there's some people that you talk to about certain things, and then other people that you talk about other things. And then with other lads, you know, you just kind of talk about life, and I think we all listen very well and talk to each other very well.